Move over, Starbucks. There's a new drink in town.
It's October 1st, so you know what that means. We have officially entered pumpkin spice latte season. But at 390 calories and 50 grams of added sugar, a grande Starbucks pumpkin spice latte might be more of an occasional treat than an every morning routine. But no worries. Today we're going to talk about how you can make a 5-ingredient healthier version with no added sugar and just a fraction of the calories, so you can feel good about drinking this all season long.
To start, add 1 to 2 shots of hot espresso or about 1/3 cup of cold coffee concentrate to your glass, adding more or less depending on how strong you like your lattes. Next, in a separate cup, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Nut Pod's pumpkin spice creamer and 1/3 to 1/2 cup of your desired choice of milk. I love this silk almond cashew blend because it has 10 grams of protein per cup. Sprinkle in some pumpkin spice and a sugar-free sweetener of your choice such as stevia, monk fruit, or even a flavored sugar-free syrup like I have here. I personally think cinnamon adds an exciting flavor profile when mixed with pumpkin spice. Blend with a handheld coffee frother to get it nice and foamy. If you're making a hot latte, make sure to heat the milk up first. When you're done, pour over your coffee, top with an extra shake of pumpkin spice, and take a sip of that deliciousness.